Thank you so much, Sadhna ma'am, for all your great inputs. I think everybody is really benefited with all the insight you shared. और एक बार फिर से मैं मैम को यदि आप लोगों से इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहूँ तो आई एम डीपली इंस्पायर्ड। प्रगति पथ इज रियली ब्लेस्ड टू हैव साधना मैम विद अस। हम लोग मैम से जो है वो गाइडेंस लेते रहते हैं। और थोड़ा सा मैं मैम को इंट्रोड्यूस करूँ तो मुझे हर दिन मैम बहुत इंस्पायर करती हैं। 1985 इटसेल्फ, मतलब आप सोचिए जिस समय लड़कियां शायद पढ़ा भी नहीं करती थी, तब मैम ने साइंस स्ट्रीम ऑप्ट करके फिजिक्स जैसे सब्जेक्ट में मास्टर्स किया। उसके तुरंत बाद ही मैम ने अपना जो है एजुकेशन के फील्ड के अंदर कदम रखा। मैम हैज सर्व्ड वेरियस स्कूल्स एज इनिशियली एज पीजीटी, लेटर देन शी वाज हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट। उसके बाद में मैम जो है सुपरवाइजरी हेड बने, वाइस प्रिंसिपल के रोल में आए और बहुत ही प्रेस्टिजियस स्कूल्स ऑफ साहिबाबाद शी वाज वर्किंग एज प्रिंसिपल लेटर ऑन 2018 के बाद से अभी तक बहुत सारे स्कूल्स के अंदर मैम ने जो है वो एज अ प्रिंसिपल काम किया है। और इवन ड्यूरिंग हर एकेडमिक टाइम, मतलब जब मैम एजुकेशन ले ही रहे थे उस समय भी शी वॉज अवॉर्डी, बहुत सारे प्राइजेस मिले, जिसमें से आई जस्ट बी शेयरिंग अ फ्यू प्रेस्टिजियस अवार्ड। मैम को प्रेसिडेंट्स गाइड अवार्ड मिला 1976 इटसेल्फ के अंदर। स्कूल के अंदर बहुत सारे मैम को जो है एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के दौरान अच्छे अच्छे अवार्ड्स मिले। स्मृति ईरानी मिनिस्टर जो हैं उन्होंने लेटर ऑफ एप्रिसिएशन दिया एंड लॉट मैनी टू शेयर। तो आई नॉट टेक मच टाइम और आप लोगों की जोरदार तालियों के साथ में कुछ पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चंस जो चैट बॉक्स में मुझे नजर आ रहे हैं मैम, उसके लिए मैं आपको बुलाना चाहूंगी। थैंक यू सो मच। आई होप यू आर रेडी विद ऑल द क्वेश्चंस मैम। कैन आई आस्क?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Piyush ma'am, for calling me. And I am really blessed that I am associated with Pragati Path, and really, it's a wonderful journey with the student and with you also. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for calling me.
मैम, अ फ्यू ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आर इंटरेस्टेड टू नो कि जो अभी आप, जैसे मैंने बताया कि मैम एनटीए के साथ में भी पहले एसोसिएटेड रहे, सीबीएसई के पेपर सेटर भी रहे, तो अभी जो हम एकदम रिसेंटली सुन रहे हैं कुछ कॉम्पिटेंस बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस के बारे में, तो ये थोड़े से बच्चे कंफ्यूज रहे हैं। कुछ आप थोड़ा सा इफ यू वांट टू थ्रो सम लाइट, व्हाट आर दीज कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस एंड हाउ शुड अ स्टूडेंट प्रिपेयर फॉर दीज क्वेश्चंस?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, from last 3 or 4 years, the competency-based question has been introduced. Competency-based, basically, if I am telling you in the very simple language, the competency-based question is the question that under such type of competency-based question, the question which comes, that is the MCQ question, assertion reason question, or case-based study questions. They have been introduced, and from this year, the 50% weightage is given by the CBSE in board examination. So in that way, it plays an important role. And one thing which I want to tell you, Piyush ma'am, that earlier when we study, it might be possible that when you study also, there is a question of say 10 question comes that all have the marks of 10 marks, and that is the lengthy question.
Yes.
And in between the question there are the choices. So the student is generally the student used to skip some of the syllabus. Syllabus, so that they thought that okay, that question might come under the choice. But right now, because every question have given the specific weightage, and under the specific weightage, every unit, say if the in any one of the subject, if it is divided into the 10 units, then every unit have the weightage. Some unit have 5, some unit maybe 15, or some unit have 10 or 6, and the questions are of the same marks. Will be question comes from the syllabus, and that is of course the 50% is question paper is of either in MCQ form, or in assertion reason form, or in case-based study question. That is comes under the competency based, and such type of practice has been started right from the class 4th. And earlier also it was practiced in junior classes. Say fill in the blanks were there, true false were there, match the followings were there, and of course MCQ were there. They are comes under the competency based question. Means the student should study thoroughly the unit, should understand thoroughly the unit. Whatever he or she study, she should know each and every aspect of the knowledge also, and of course the application also, and how that topic should be used in day-to-day life. That is the most important.
Got it. So a student needs to be thorough and he cannot be selective. You see, earlier we used to be selective in our studies. So competency-based questions will basically help them to score well. If they understand the topic fully well, it means they'll be able to score well.
Yes, sir. That's why you might have seen that in our times, the maximum marks, ma'am, distinction means 75% marks is a distinction. We are only after looking at 10th and 12th board result, we want to see how many distinctions are there.
Yes,
but right now you must have seen that the students are observing that how many marks that comes under the category of A1 marks, A2 marks, and like this.
So ma'am, my question to you that how much is the importance of resources? मतलब if particularly for the science stream, if we talk about physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, बच्चे को पढ़ना चाह रहा है, तो आजकल मार्केट के अंदर बहुत सारे रिसोर्सेज हैं, नेट के ऊपर भी बहुत सारी अवेलेबिलिटी है. तो एग्जैक्टली आप particularly keeping focus on CBSE board aspirants, how would you like to guide them to go forward?
Ma'am, resources plays an important role. The resources nowadays, yes, as you said, there are so many information. Rather, I'm giving the one name, whatever you are saying, that there are so many contents are on Google, so many reference books are there, so many question banks are on the Google, and of course, when AI comes, then everything we can get on the Google. But the main resource is, as per CBSE aspirants, the main resource is NCERT. And ma'am, you will find that if specifically I'm talking about the science students, then if the student is going for JEE, then maximum questions you can see that from the chemistry is from the NCERT book. So in that way, the NCERT book plays very important role. NCERT book, the student should go each and every line of the NCERT book. He or she can make his own question. Or I always suggest the students that don't go for the number of the books. Go for one book, that is NCERT book, or you can get the sample paper. If you want to do the practice, then you can get the sample paper and do the 5 times of the NCERT book rather than you do the 5 books one time. Reason being, in science subjects, the principles and everything remains the same. It might be possible that that every writer have explained it in the different manner. The language is there, but the basic principle, basic fundamentals is not changing in PCM or PCB, right? So in that way, no need of going here and there, but that is important that the student should go in good resource, through good resource.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम. तो देखिए अभी रिसोर्सेज की भी इतनी अवेलेबिलिटी हो गई है मैम, बच्चे भी आज की जनरेशन इतनी स्मार्ट है, तो आपको क्या लगता है आज द काइंड ऑफ मेंटोर्स वी आर, जो एजुकेशनिस्ट्स हैं या एक एग्जैक्टली असिस्टेंट्स एज अ गाइड, मतलब स्टूडेंट्स को आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या अभी उनका रोल अभी रह गया आज के टाइम के अंदर जब कंटेंट इतना वाइडली अवेलेबल है? तो इज देयर एनी रोल ऑफ असिस्टेंस अ स्टूडेंट गेट्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ गाइड? What do you want to say regarding that?
Ma'am, assistance is always necessary, mandatory for the students. Because the student, if I am saying that everything can get from the Google, yes, everything is available on the Google. But how the Google can play the role of the teacher cannot replace by the role of the teacher, cannot replace the role of the parents, cannot replace by the role of the tutor. But the student should know that what type of assistant he or she want, and if she should she should go through a content first, and then she should know that he or she should know that what are the problems he found in the curriculum, and if he or she able to sort out with the help of the school teacher, that is the best. But sometimes it happens that the the students feel shy talking to the teacher, class teacher, subject teacher in front of the whole of the class, because there are the number of the students are there. So in that case, the student should tell the parents that he wants some assistance. Then the student, definitely parents will give some of the assistance in the form of the tutor, in the form of the parents. If the parents are educated, they can assist them. In the form of the tutor, that parents can arrange some tutor, or the peer group study can be also helpful for solving the problems. मैम मीटिंग
पता नहीं क्या हो गया,
ओवर हो गई है
बीच में
शायद,
कट गया, कनेक्ट भी नहीं हो रहा। मैं तो ट्राई कर रही हूँ,
जबकि मेरा तो आ रहा है मैम, मैं मीटिंग में ही हूँ, रिकॉर्डिंग भी
आपके
हो रही है
पास
लगातार।
हो रही है।
पर अब
मेरे पास
ये बातें भी
मेरे
रिकॉर्ड
पास
हो रही हैं जो अब मैं बोल रही हूँ आपसे।
रिकॉर्ड हो रही है।
ये भी रिकॉर्ड हो रही है। हाँ
पेज पे ये बस
हाँ
आ रहा है।
मैम, इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम आ रही है कहीं आपके यहाँ, तो मैं मीटिंग को एंड कर
इंटरनेट
देती हूँ, है ना?
आप कर दीजिए,
हाँ
आपको होस्ट है ना।
हाँ।